What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. And as you guys know by the title, I have a Bath and Body Works haul, and I'm trying to show you guys the bag, but it's so big. I had started with this small bag and it got too full, so they gave me another one, and these are just keep falling over. But this is the huge bag and I've got everything in. Take it out of here. Show you guys what I got at the semi-annual sale. 75% off. Every item I got was 75% off. They had things that were $4.50 and like $7 and stuff like that, but I always grab with the 75% off stuff. It's hard because I'd be wanting to get some of the other stuff, but I try to stick with what's 75% off. Alright, y'all, so while I'm recording this video, I have my feet soaking in my heated, bubbly foot spa, and it feels great. So I did try two, I think, items, so I can let you guys know how the two that I tried smelled. But I have not tried them all yet. 2 or 3 I think I've tried. I'll let you know when I get to it. Okay. So I've got everything out the bag finally. Okay, I'm gonna start with this. When I first seen this little tub, I thought it was like a body butter. So I picked it up and looked at it. It says water by Bath and Body Works, refreshing face and body mask. So I snatched this up real fast. It has natural essential oils, bergamot, lemongrass, and juniper. The price on this one was $16.50, and I think it came to like $4 and some change or something like that with the 75% off. It says that this face and body mask locks in moisture for hydrated and healthy looking skin. Apply a thin layer to your face and body, and for best results, leave on overnight, rinse off in the morning. So I have used this twice to test it out, and it feels really good. My skin felt moisturized and it felt smooth after I used it. They also had a lotion in the water, and I don't remember seeing a body wash. I think they were just lotions. So this is how it looks. And it has a nice soft scent to it. And the cream is very lightweight. It's not thick and heavy. So I can't wait to see the results of using this. I wish I would have got 2 of these. So for the men's collection, since it was Father's Day, was coming up when I went, so I picked out the hubby this Atlantic Bath and Body Works men's collection body spray, and it smells really nice. It's coastal citrus, sea mist, and clean woods, and it smells really, really, really good. And so does the matching lotion in Atlantic. It's the Ultra Shea Body Cream. This is really nice. So these were 75% off as well. Let's see. This was $14.50 for the cream, and the spray was $13.50. So $3.37 for anything that costs $13.50. Whatever was $14.50 was $3.62, and $15.50 was $3.87. So the one thing that I got was $4.12 was this at $16.50. So it was $4.12. Everything else was under $4 basically. Okay, so moving on. So body sprays, I got 5 body sprays. I love anything with coconut in it at the Bath and Body Works. I have become obsessed because it smells so freaking delicious. So when I was actually done shopping and was on my way to the cash register when I noticed the coconut 75% off table. It wasn't near the other table. And they had a lot of different brands. If you guys watch my video when I walked around in the store and was shopping for stuff, you'll see the table with all the different coconut scents they had. So I wanted to try the coconut pineapple because I have a couple of their coconut sprays and I love them. And this smells so good, especially pairing it with the coconut and pineapple lotion. So I've used these two and absolutely love it. The smell is amazing. It's like, I think this so far is my favorite. But I haven't tried too many of the others yet, so I might get another favorite. But it smells bomb. And then I grabbed, because I like these moisturizers better than I like the gels. I like to have a cream moisturizer and a gel. I kind of use two on my loofah. So I picked up two of the Sunset Glow moisturizing body washes. Scoot this over so I can give you guys a better view. So yeah, so I picked up two of these. It has shea and cocoa butter in it. The scent is fresh coconut, sparkling cherry seltzer, dreamy moonflower, and caramelized vanilla. And I used this once and it's awesome. I didn't use the perfume to it. I washed up with this and I lotioned and sprayed with the coconut pineapple. Perfect. But I did hear that this smelled really good, and so I heard a lot about this one. So I picked up this Sunset Glow. But I thought the bottle was really pretty with the holographic sparkle all over it. So cute. So that goes with that. They did not have a lotion. I don't remember. They might have, but I don't remember seeing one. Daydream, I heard, smells really good. And the Keynote scents are not on here. If I remember, I'll try to look it up. But even the cashier told me that this smells really good. I haven't sprayed it yet. And then I picked up this one, Margarita Cupcake, and I just thought it was a cute bottle, fun and summery. This one doesn't have the scent Keynotes on it either, but I sprayed this one on like a little sample card and it smells good. Margarita Cupcake. And then I picked up this. I grabbed this because I just thought the bottle was really pretty. It's called Kaleidoscope. And I also like these lotions a lot better than the lotions that come in this container too. It's just like, seems like they're thinner, and I like my lotions a little thick. I'll get them, but I prefer to have the body cream instead of the ones that come in this one. Let's see. So this one is Iris, Cedarwood, Clean Musk, and Pink Pepper. So I haven't tried it yet, but I bet that smells good. Y'all hear coconut. I love it. So then I picked up this Aloe and Vitamin E shower gel. It's chocolate covered cherries, and I love those. They are so delicious. Oh, and I did use this one too, and it smells good. It smells just like a chocolate covered cherry. So good. It's real rich milk chocolate, red cherries, and sweet liquor. But it smells so good. This was the last of the chocolate they had left. I did not see any lotion, so I ended up getting strawberry. I got strawberry pound cake body cream, and this is fresh strawberries, golden shortcake, and whipped cream. And then I also picked up the strawberry pound cake spray, and the container is so cute, nice and summery. So I have not tried these two yet either, but I will get to it. So yes, you guys, that's my little haul. Usually I go back 2, 3, 4, or 5 times. So I've stopped myself. I only went once. I'm gonna try to stay my butt out of there. But the sale is still going on. It does not end until the end of the month. So you have until June 30th to get to the sale and go pick you guys up some of this 75% off. Bath&Bodyworks is my favorite time to go get this stuff, because between the $13 and $15 for one, you can get all of this. I think, let's see, my total came to $54.25. You guys see the total discount, $153.82. And you see all the 75% off on the receipt. So that was really awesome. And let's see, $54 for 14 items, y'all. 14 items. So I mean, you can't beat that. At $15.50 a piece, 15, 13, and 16, there's no way you can get that many items for $54 at the regular price. So don't miss this deal. If you guys are gonna go, let me know below down there in the comments if you guys are gonna make it to the sale. If you guys went to the sale, if you guys picked up any of the scents or any of the things that I got, let me know in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you are new. Give this video a thumbs up if you'd like to see more. Make sure you turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified of my next new and upcoming videos. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and watching. I appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next video.